18th birthday, as what I promised to Ate Mayan and Ate Nicey, and of course I know her, although no, I never went to their bibos, and you guys are the closest ones ako sa family. They all threatened me. Dapat na-adjust daw ko din sa libro ni Malay. Kaya wala ko sa ilahan. And I'm here now, happy to be here with you. By the way, I'm holding this gift. With this. So that gift represents how I've always known you, and I made sure na, magamit siya natin mo kay like 2 months ago. She requested.
Another request.
Besides akong presence, dude, kay, I've not been there with for your Ate Nicey and your Ate Mian. But again, as I promised, naano siya good away. And I think it's really sweet, knowing mo request na ako balag akong presence lang. I don't have a manghod, but I always treated you as one. Kamo tulo ni Ate Mian, Nicey. Actually, anak. So that gift, by the way, will not only represent how kika you are, how lovely you are. I also hope that this will also let you remember our love for each other. Na miskin kanang we're not always there for each other physically. We're sometimes like far away, even like unreachable, So I hope that will help you remember our love for each other. And also, kanisha, as you requested, mag-use kanisha rin mo every day. So, sa imong life, sa imong mga lakaw, sa imong kikay lakaws, and through this gift, I'll always be with you emotionally. And as I mentioned previously, you may not have an ate, but you can always tap on me whenever you need one. Love you so much.